thanks to all Patreons and channel members for supporting me. I'll be releasing project files to my Patreons and exclusive tutorials for channel members. For details, please check link in description. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is MrWhiz, and we'll continue further with our drone AI. In last video, we have created the required files. So we'll continue further. So first things first, go to your BP drone base on your event graph on begin play. I'll remove this, we'll add when required. Create a sequence, and we'll create some references so that where we might need few things later. As to drone AI controller and get controller. Promote this to a variable. Drone AI controller ref. Then here itself we are setting the blackboard. Blackboard, select our blackboard here and take a reference to that blackboard. And on the blackboard, create few variables. Drone actor. Then we need an enum. So for that, create a new folder, name it as data, and create an enum. And we need one more enum. Chase states. So on drone AI states, add the following items. First one is patrol, then chase, fall, investigate. And similarly on chase states, we need chase, being hit, and explode. Okay, come back to the blackboard. Now create a variable enum drone state. So this will be key type is enum, and if you come down, you can select the type of the enum that we have created. So this is drone state. Okay, select the drone AI states. Okay, I think we are fine for now. We will create further variables when we require. So the reason we created the variables here is uh, so we have to set a value here. The drone actor set yes object. literal name and come back to your blackboard and copy this variable, paste it here, then give a reference to self. So this will be the actor reference, and on the drone create a start location. This will be a vector, and we need to set this here, start location. So this is the location from where the drone starts, or where you place them, or where it gets spawned to location. So this will help us to bring back the drone to its start location after its patrol, or after it's being it's investigating the player, or something like that. And the next one, cast to player character. Oops. Cast to our third person character. Okay. So first, let's make the propeller to rotate. For that, create a custom event. Rotate propeller, and do a for each loop, and here make an array. Make an array. Add four for each propeller. So the thing here is, if your drone contains only only two, we'll be checking that, and only if it is valid, it will rotate that propeller. So the same logic you can use for a drone with any number of propellers. Okay, so connect this. So get the static mesh and check if it is valid. And again, take from the array element, add local add local rotation, and for the rotation, do make rotator, and we just need to rotate the Z. Get the world delta seconds and multiply it by an integer. Connect it to Z and give a number. Okay. Now create one more variable here. Stop propeller. So this has to be Boolean. And on your event tick, again create a sequence here and call rotate propeller. Okay. Now okay. So now let's put this on the field. Okay, it's rotating, but it's it is fallen to ground, but it's okay. We'll check that further. Okay, so I'll close the video for now. We'll see you back in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.